Okay, welcome back. So this trading week is not really good. It's not really, there's no much, there's no volatility. So what um uh, I'm looking, I'm still, I'm still waiting for that, that signal. But right now, the market is in a tight range. The Nasdaq and the S&P 500 is pushing to the upside, right? The Nasdaq is in a range, just in a different range here. So I think going into this week right now, the way this week is right now, so I'll just wait for that signal. My last video, I told you that buying this Nasdaq or the S&P is a trap for me. I told you guys. That's why I did not send any signal. You can see how the price. You can see the price action. But you can see how messy it is. Maybe for a scalp, yeah, you can get a scalp. I don't know, but it's just messy. Because, like, to be honest, why would you risk your money in a market that's like this? Why not wait? The best thing is just to wait. That's the best thing, is to wait. And if you look at the positioning data, look at the Nasdaq, it's bullish, it's bullish. But if you look at the open interest, it's just 0.72%. So who knows? That's another reason why I can't buy this Nasdaq, because if you look at the open interest, it's just 0.72%. And as at last week, if you look at the S&P, where's the S&P? Yeah, S&P was, I think S&P was bullish last week Tuesday. It was bullish, I think. So. No, last 2 weeks it was bullish. So if you look at it right now, and as even as at last week, it was even the stronger of the two. I think, yeah, S&P 500 was the strongest. So coming to this week, looking at the positioning changing to bearish, that's enough to tell you that this Nasdaq positioning right here is more like a redistribution. So what I'm saying is, this is 0.72%. I'm going into the end of this week. By Friday, I will expect this Nasdaq position to be short. Yeah, so that's why I'm not even trying to buy the S&P or the Nasdaq. I'm not trying to buy it. And if you look at market structure as well, you can see this different initial range we had. There was the initial one. Then we broke the range, and this is our new range right now. And if you look at it, I don't think this market has really moved towards a very good premium level. So I'm still expecting more side. And if you look at these highs here, they are really equal. These highs here, let me remove the range. So they are what, equal. So I think buy stops, buy side liquidity pool. We have unfinished business here. We have unfinished business here. So I would try don't mind my typing. So let me edit it. So I won't try to sell this market yet, and I won't try to buy it either. That's just the way this market is. In the market whereby is in a tight range, there's no a clear indication that it wants to push to the upside, or a clear indication that it wants to push to the downside. And position is a bit mixed, what I would say complicated. Like, it's not really defined if you look at the positioning. So it's messy. And we have Donald Trump on the other side throwing tantrums. Throwing let's see. We have Donald Trump throwing tantrums here and there. So it's really messy. That's just the truth. It's really messy. It's messy right now. So let's put this into it's really messy right now. So um, excuse me. Okay, so just give me a minute here. So like I said, Trump is just throwing tantrums everywhere. Says this, says that, says that, says this. It's just it's messing everything up. So and if you look at the uh, if you look at the interest rate expectation, it's not really. You can see for the rest of the year, I think yeah, 2026 is hold over. I'm already transitioning to a hike. So at this point, like it's just messy right now. So we'll have to see more data at the same time. This kind of data, the interest rate expectation and the inner position and inner positioning and what Trump is doing, trying to buy the Nasdaq is not really ideal. It's not really ideal. Although, if you for your strategy, if you see your strategy like you can buy, that's for you. Like you see your model or you see an entry for yourself, or whatever strategy you're using. If you are using an EA or anything at all, if you see an opportunity to buy for you, you can buy. You can do that. But just for me, I don't really think I'll buy this market. It's just too messy. I would prefer to sell it to the downside rather than buying this market. So all that I'm doing, I'll just it's better I wait. I'll just wait, for my sell setup. That's all I have. Then for the dollar, yeah, I was downside bearish dollar. So I think the dollar will see, and maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow the dollar will still drop as well into this level. Yeah, into this level. Yeah. Hmm. Let me go to this. So I think the dollar will still drop because if you look at it very well, if you look at it very well, there is no other. We have this void of liquidity here. So if the dollar index goes below this low here, there's no resistance. It's just like a free fall. So once the dollar, I think the dollar will still drop. Yeah, once the dollar go below this low here, you just easily drop to this level here. Yeah, but for the dollar index going below this low, I'm not really sure. This 99 level here, I'm not really sure it will do that. Yeah. So that's one thing. For me, for the dollar index, I'm not trading the dollar index. I'm focused on the Nasdaq. So that's what I'm focused on. So that's just my bias. Dollar, I still expect it to, drop. Then the Nasdaq, I'm waiting for that sell signal. The S&P, the same thing as well. So that's it. I hope you find this insightful and I wish you guys good trading. So this is Trade Dictator here. I hope you click the subscribe button as well. So